Welcome to presentation. I am going to a research paper presentation in the International Conference on Big Data IoT and Machine Learning. The paper title is Aggressive Fault Tolerance in Cloud Computing Using Smart Decision Agents. The paper ID is 1253 and the authors of this paper, myself M. Mustafizur Rahman and co-authors Muhammad Abdul Rauf. This is presentation outline. Introduction, background study and problem statement. Motivation, objectives and contributions, outcomes and impacts. Propose aggressive fault tolerance in cloud computing, experimental setup and result analysis, fault injection and coverage analysis, conclusion and future work. Introduction. Cloud computing is a model for enabling ubiquitous convenient on-demand access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources, such as network, server storage, application, and services, etc. Various features are included in cloud computing, such as on-demand access, scalability, cost reduction, minimum management effort, device or location independence. Critical applications require reliable cloud environments, such as scientific research, financial, safety critical applications, etc. Tangent faults may affect such as network connectivity, availability of services, and response errors. Different types of faults are occurred in the cloud environment, such as hardware faults, software faults, communication faults are omission fault, packet corruption, packet loss, timeout fault, network congestion. Hardware faults are occurred in cloud environment, such as tangent faults may cause of errors such as single bit, multi-bit, and batch bits. Permanent faults are physical damage of machine, host element, and memory storage. And software faults are occurred in cloud, such as data faults, unexpected input, logical fault, operating system fault, numerical exception, user-defined exception, application faults. To reduce the effect of such faults, a fault-tolerant mechanism is required. Fault tolerance is a scheme that can operate a system even in fault environment. To ensure fault tolerance in cloud, there are two types of available techniques: reactive fault tolerance and proactive fault tolerance. Reactive fault tolerance requires recovery after faults are detected, such as checkpointing, replication, retime, task resubmission, etc. And proactive fault tolerance prevents the fault by predicting beforehand, such as software evaluation, self-healing, and preemptive migration. Background study and problem statement. Mohammad Abdul Rauf et al. Explained a overview of a fault tolerance. It highlights defined significant concepts and architecture details and define existing techniques. M.K. Gukro et al. Implements an algorithm periodically monitors the progress of job on virtual machines. M. Amun et al. Propose a reliable platform in cloud application using selecting the most suitable fault tolerance technique. J. Siddiq et al. Has proposed a concurrent error detection mechanism that is able to detect hardware fault. Minority et al. Assess the reliability for every critical configuration of a software system. It causes unpredictable behavior and performance analysis. Mohammad Abdul Rauf et al. Discussed the state-of-the-art techniques to combat with soft errors using defined techniques such as software-based scheme, hardware-based scheme, hardware and software-based co-design. JP Neto et al. Provides a smart-based agent-based architecture to detect and protect the faults in cloud computing. Motivation. Replication and resubmission techniques work from in initial state if a fault is occurred. The checkpointing, replication, and resubmission techniques are backward a rollback recovery mechanism. A maximum efficient smart decision is required to minimize the overhead of fault detection and recovery. Objectives. Detection and correction of the following of any fault in cloud environment: hardware faults, software faults, communication faults, omission faults, and timeout faults. Contribution. We propose an aggressive fault detection and recovery module by extending the data center broker policy. The proposed scheme detects and recovers the transient, permanent, omission, and timeout faults. The AFG scheme integrates the checkpointing, replication, and resubmission methods. A smart decision agent takes decision on different types of hardware, software, communication faults. We have verified the proposed model by using the fault injection mechanism. Outcomes and impacts. To achieve the higher availability of a system, to recover fault using smart decision agent. Our approach is 1.5 times faster than checkpointing and 2.0 times faster than resubmission and 2.5 times faster than replication scheme. The comparison proposed technique is 98.7%. The main impact is added extra instruction for error detection and correction using smart decision agent. The main components of cloud architecture and the cloudlet is an abbreviation which consists of million instructions. The data center broker acts as a coordinator between the cloud user and cloud provider. The cloud components are registered and store the information in a table of cloud information service. The data center is a collection of virtualized host, virtual machine, processing element, virtual networks, and virtual storage. A host consists of multiple virtual machines. The virtual machines allocated in a host with the best fit mechanism. The processing element execute the cloudlets. This is the proposed aggressive fault tolerant technique. Uh, in the data center, I have extended the aggressive fault tolerance. Aggressive fault tolerance has two modules: aggressive fault detection module and aggressive fault recovery module. Aggressive fault detection module to detect the fault using heartbeat algorithm, and aggressive fault recovery module detects recovery the fault using the smart decision agent. Using defined types of checkpointing or replication or resubmission or migration, itself migration. The cloud user submit multiple clouds in the data center broker. Data center broker submit the cloudlet to the virtual machine. The specific cloudlet are executed in the virtual machine on processor element. Multiple virtual machine consist in a host, and uh, multiple host consist in a data center. The cloudlets are scheduled, space shared, or time shared. Multiple virtual machine scheduling here, and multiple virtual machine schedule the allocation policy in the host. This is the flowchart of the proposed AFT technique. Here, if the cloudlet length error, then resubmit again. If any new resource created, for example, a virtual machine created within the threshold time, then it is registered to CIS table. Otherwise, rejected. An SLA violation is created, then decrease the availability. Execute the remaining length of cloudlet in the processor element and set the checkpointing. If error in cloudlet, then backward recovery recently checkpoint. Otherwise, continue process. In here, if it has no violation, SLA violation no, then increment availability. Task runs smoothly. Process the if process any errors, then retry process. Otherwise, execute the task. If the virtual machine is down, overutilized, underutilized, then use the replication virtual machine and migrate the tasks to replica virtual machine. Otherwise, continue process. This is the proposed AFT using smart decision agent. The smart decision agent takes the decision on defined types of fault: hardware, software, and commercial fault. And defined types of faults are transient fault, intermediate, permanent fault, and timeout and omission fault. The smart decision agent to recover these faults using the checkpointing technique, replication technique, resubmission, or migration technique. This is the class diagram of aggressive fault tolerant. In the class diagram, we have seen that uh, aggressive fault detection class, aggressive fault recovery class, smart decision agent class. The fault injector injected the faults in the system NALU section, floating point section, and other section, the aggressive fault detection detect this fault using heartbeat protocol. In the aggressive fault recovery class, recovery these faults using a smart decision agent. The smart decision agent helps to take the best mechanism: migration, checkpointing, replication, resubmission or resubmission according to fault status. This is the experimental setup of host and virtual machine. The parameters of host and virtual machines are processor, processing elements, processing capacity, memory, storage, bandwidth, virtual machine manager, and operating system. This is the execution time of different length of cloudlets. We have compared the execution performance of AFT with other existing techniques such as checkpointing, resubmission, and replication. For every cloudlet base, the replication performance host by the taking the maximum time followed by the checkpointing and resubmission. We can see that the performance of the proposed scheme increase with increasing cloudlet size. We have observed always our proposed AFT technique is less time than others time. The fault recovery for different cloudlets. X-axis show the length of cloudlets million instruction and Y-axis show the number of fault recovery. We have always observed here our proposed technique is always better than other existing technique to detect any errors, any faults. The execution time of failed cloudlet length. The axis show the length of failed cloudlets and y-axis show the execution time to recovery this failed cloudlet. Our proposed scheme is less time than other existing checkpointing, resubmission, or replication. Replication always worst case to take the maximum time to recover these faults. But our proposed system is less time always. Fault injection and coverage analysis. Instruction type ALU, floating point, and others. Total injected faults in ALU section is 200 and activation 44 and recovered 43. So the coverage is 97.8%. The floating point section total injected fault 98, activation 23 and recovered 23. So the coverage is 100%. The other section in total injected 57 and activated 9 and recovered 9. So the coverage is 100%. The summation of 3 events, total injected force is 355 and activated fault 76 and recovered 75. So the coverage is 98.7%. Conclusion and future work. To achieve the higher ability of a cloud service, our proposed approach is 1.5 times faster than checkpointing and 2.0 times faster than resubmission and 2.5 times faster than replication scheme. The common AFT technique is 98.7%. In future, we shall implement the proposed AFT a real cloud environment in a laboratory. This is our important reference paper among the 35 papers. Thank you, everybody. Any question? Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.